Field of 8 condition, trotters in the 6th into the backstretch and approaching the start. They're off and trotting. GQ Magic makes a fast move away for the lead. Sky Spirit and Richard Simard are also leaving well. Montana Black Angel makes it a 3 wide beginning. Rolling in Clover is 4th away. On the outside, Cascada finds a spot at the rail. Ahead of Field Gunner, it's 3 more lengths back to Mask of Zorro. And Vitor trails the field early. Here comes Mike Armstrong at 16-1 with Montana Black Angel, 27-4 quarter time. GQ Magic isn't waiting and is going to reclaim under the line the first time. Headstrong Montana Black Angel sits second. Sky Spirit a fresh third. 2 back to Rolling in Clover, who is the 4th one. Then comes Cascada. Field Gunner winding up out of the backfield. 2 back to Mask of Zorro. And Vitor has 12 lengths to make up on the leader. It's a front striding GQ Magic by the half in 58-2. To the backstretch they go. GQ Magic and Sam Filion. Montana Black Angel sits second. Sky Spirit is blocked on the inside now from third. Field Gunner is advancing first over. Trying to catch that cover is Cascada, who's moving up nicely for Robinson. Mask of Zorro went on a break. Rolling in Clover has 7 to make up, and Vitor is next. Towards 3/4, it's still GQ Magic by 3/4 in 128-2. GQ Magic still on the lead. Field Gunner first over. On the inside from third, Montana Black Angel. Cascada is sent 3 wide with 1/8 of a mile to go. GQ Magic is trying to get it home. Here comes Cascada trying to mow him down. Cascada takes a shot at GQ Magic. GQ Magic, Cascada. GQ Magic in front. Cascada second, Vitor third, Sky Spirit 4th in 158-1. There is an inquiry into the 6th race. It involves the unofficial second place finisher, 6 Cascada. Possibility that interference occurred around the 5/8 mile marker. Please hold all race 6 tickets until the results have been posted official. Into the winner's circle returns number 2, GQ Magic. Big gelding, 4 years old. By Cadabra, out of the Conway Hall Mare, Palm Beach Chick, Owned by Michelle Legacy, trained by the mastermind, Matt McDonald. Driven to victory by Sam Filion. GQ Magic, first and 12 on the season, the mile 158 and 1. 27 and 4, 58 and 2, 128 and 2, the mile 158 and 1. Still an inquiry pending involving the second place finisher 6 Cascada. Please hold all tickets. Judges ruling there were no violations by 6 Cascada. 26815 will be your high five in the 6th race.